Push it down and it creates pressure inside and it's puffing.
What makes a bhatura so special is that solid crispy outside and the inner bread-like texture. Put the dry ingredients in a bowl and mix well before the wet ingredients go in. We start with yogurt for that sour flavor and then water. I add the water slowly, mixing the dough in between. The dough starts wet but will eventually be the perfect consistency as the semolina will absorb most of that water. I'm setting a damp towel down before I get the dough together to knead it. You can do this any way you like, even in a stand mixer. But make sure this gets a good 10 minutes of love to develop that gluten. Cover the dough with a damp towel and leave it to rest for at least 45 minutes. And the dough will be soft and relaxed and fairly easy to work with. Roll the dough out into a log to make portions. I want large bhature, so the portions are larger than usual, to be rolled into perfect balls without any cracks in them. You start by applying pressure on your palm while moving your hand in a circle. Then move your fingers while still moving in circles. Push downwards with your index finger, then upwards with your thumb. Down with the index and up with the thumb, putting pressure in a circular motion. And you'll see it shape into a perfect round ball like this. Rest the dough balls 30 minutes before pressing down and shaping with your hands. You can also use a rolling pin if you like, but make sure to roll them out really even and thin. These will rest a few minutes before you fry them.
Okay, my oil's reached smoking point and I'm ready to put my bhatura in. Wish me luck! This is the biggest bhatura I've ever made. And hopefully this one rises. I'm going to quickly splash it with some oil to make sure the oil goes on top. And I want it to puff up like a ball.
And the key thing to remember when making portions is that you want to make sure the bhature isn't too big for the pan. You need enough room to baste it with oil while you're frying and still be able to move it around. I love a puri. It's soft, quick and easy to make. But the bhature that takes a little time and patience has a thick, crusty shell that keeps shape really well. And the bread-like texture is just perfect for mopping up something like chhole.